If you have ever wondered whether Apple is finally losing its edge or preparing to completely rewrite the rulebook on what a smartphone can do, what you are about to hear regarding the iPhone 18 Pro Max will completely change how you view the tech industry. For months, supply chain whispers, factory floor leaks, and internal roadmap documents have pointed to a single reality. Apple is not just iterating this time. They are overhauling the blueprint. And if you are holding out for an upgrade, or wondering where mobile technology is heading next, every single detail matters. Let's address the elephant in the room immediately. Every year, critics love to cycle through the same tired narrative. They look at a new release, point to a slightly shifted antenna band or a familiar silhouette, and claim that innovation is dead. And on the surface, Apple does love its consistency. When you look at early engineering layouts for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, you are still greeted by that familiar, premium form factor. You see the flat-edge titanium frame, the absolute pinnacle of industrial design, crafted to feel dense, substantial, and utterly indestructible in the hand. Apple isn't throwing away the proportions that millions of people love. The screen real estate remains massive, anchored by that gorgeous, sprawling 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display. But to judge this phone by its cover is to completely miss the seismic shifts happening underneath the glass. Because beneath that familiar exterior lies an engineering obsession that changes everything about how a flagship device operates, performs, and survives your daily routine. Let's start with the display technology, because Apple is introducing a generational leap in panel efficiency. We are looking at a refined next-generation LTPO setup combined with structural changes to the upper housing. For years, users have tolerated the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the screen. Cupertino has finally managed to push critical Face ID components, including the flood illuminator, directly beneath the active display matrix. The result? A noticeably smaller dynamic island. It is cleaner, less intrusive, and gives you back crucial pixels for your media consumption, gaming, and daily workflows. It is a subtle visual shift, but the moment you light up that screen, the difference in immersion is instantly striking. Now, let's talk about the engine driving this beast, because this is where the competition starts to panic. Apple is moving to an entirely new architecture. The A20 Pro chip, built on an ultra-advanced 2nm process. Pause for a moment and let that sink into your tech vocabulary. 2 nanometers. While other manufacturers are still wrestling with thermal throttling and power constraints, Apple's transition to a 2 nanometers node means transistors are packed so densely that physics itself is being pushed to the limit. What does that actually mean for you when you pull the phone out of your pocket? It means up to a 15% raw performance increase over previous generations. Yes, but more importantly, it unlocks a staggering 30% boost in energy efficiency. Tasks that used to strain a mobile processor, heavy-duty 3D rendering, complex local artificial intelligence computations, multi-layered video editing on the fly, now execute with an eerie, effortless coldness. The phone runs cooler, the silicon sips power instead of gorging on it, and the system response is so instantaneous that it genuinely feels like it is predicting your next move before your thumb even touches the glass. Backing up that powerhouse processor is a memory